future reference, just snip the name off and send it with the tiny little wrapper, right? It looks better.
Just for reference, you guys looking to do Swift springs, that is the drop right there. So we just took it for a short drive just to let everything settle. But that's it, 100% stock wheels, stock shocks, just Swift springs, the rear mount. Of course the front lip, get it from this angle just so you see it. Pretty low, and there's our front lip right there. Gives you an idea if you're looking at doing this. Pretty popular combination is the front lip and the springs. So there it is. See you in the next video.